Today the market is very slow. Nothing looks interesting. This morning I just bought ETR about 500 shares. Average was $1.18, and then I sold it. Just realized $40 and then that was about it. The market is slow. But it's still hovering around $1.24. So the only thing that we could look for is if it is able to come back to break the high of the day, which is um excuse me, which is $1.51. Um if you look at the float, the float was okay, um 8.3 million. Short rates is not anything. Short percentage is not anything you can depend on for short squeezes. But there's a couple of resistance along the way because a dollar 51 cents is the high of the day, most important, because that is where most resistance will compile now. And also 52 weeks high is also 219. So if it's able to come back and break 52, oh, getting cold, and break 151, now we're looking for 2, which is a whole number. So with that is hard for it to break 2. Once it breaks off the 2, this is the 52 weeks high, which means within the year, that is the highest is that gone. So that's also going to serve as a resistance. So it has a couple of resistance ahead, but the market always has wonders since there's no, as at now, any stock that is showing strength and momentum. I'm just going to leave it on and then see how it goes. But if anything, we just watching for 151 for the break of that number. And the only reason I traded it is because they have a definite agreement to sell another brand for 80 million. Float is within the range for day trading, and also the volume, it has more than 200 million. So that's some of the reason why I'm watching it. You never know what could happen, but as it stands now, the only stock that went up high, IYA, went to 2 and just dropped all the way. So nothing is interesting as of now. So always be careful. Day trading is risky. Be careful before you put money on the line. Oh,